just don't understand. Okay. Like, I tried once. Like, it was in the kitchen. And, like, I grabbed it with that. And I made it to the door. And, you know, I was trying to open the screen door. And it kind of flew out of my hand. So, yeah, like, I've told the cats it can be their breakfast. I thought that would be motivation. How? How? Like, I think they're just playing with it at this point. And, like, I don't know. Like, they could just attack it. But no, I think it's their new friend who does not want to be their friend. We're actually gonna do something now. Tar Heel gave up. I don't even know where he's at. He's probably like feeding me. You just chilling. Just chilling. Love this for my life. Having a standoff with a bird. Okay.